yeah, and I had to print task 24. Was it Jokikatu or Galton?
Yeah.
23 or?
Yeah.
Sticky sake.
Yeah.
In Porvoo, Finland, was that 3, but I'm here in December 33 now 3. Is somebody coming?
Yeah. Yeah.
Today or? Yeah. That's good.
Yeah. Okay, that's